Hi, I'm vegan chef Sandy Moraes. For over 5 years, I have teamed up with Dr. Patricia Smith, CEO of Help by Design, to teach healthy cooking classes to educate, inspire, and promote a healthy lifestyle. The first demonstration that I'm going to do today is a 3-bean salad. 1 cup of aduki beans, half cup of aduki beans give you 6 grams of protein, and I'm using 1 cup. I'm using black beans, 8 grams of protein. For half cup, I'm using 1 whole cup. So I'm using the cannelli beans. So there we go, loaded with protein. But we're not done. The first thing I'm adding is 1 tablespoon of parsley. I am putting a few leaves of cilantro. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon red onion. I'm going to add a tablespoon of red bell pepper. So we're getting this classic bean salad, very colorful. Now look at the colors in here. Now, I always tell you, eat colorful food. The great thing that is going to make this bean salad explode with flavor, the dressing. And the dressing that I'm doing this evening is a Greek style dressing. I'm going to pour it now over. Look at this. I am pouring the dressing over the beans, the 3 beans. And I'm going to mix everything together so that everything is combined nicely. Look at that, the classic bean salad with some green lettuce leaves and some cherry tomato. Order your Sensational Vegan Recipes Cookbook today, $29.95 at vegantuneupcafe.com.